Hi guys, today I come with this integral. Here is double integral, right? Which from 0 to 1 and y to 1, and we've got its sine of x squared dx dy. So as we see, first we are integrating in respect to x, and it's inconvenient to integrate this in respect to x. I thought that because of my experience, guys. So to solve this integral, you just need to shift the order. This x must come here, dx, and this is dy must come there. So first we need to integrate in respect to y. If we integrate in respect to x, oh my god, my boy, I don't know. I don't know how are you going to solve this. So just follow what I'm doing right now. Just to shift this is x and y. It's not so simple as you may think, because here we have y. It's a kind of variable. It's a variable, I can say. If there was a number here, for example 0 around here, I would have changed without worrying too much. So first, to do this, I need to sketch a graph here. Let me sketch a graph to just have a little bit of notion which region are we dealing with. So we can see 0, this 0 to 1, it's for y. So y, 1 it's here for y. It's here, and 0 is along the x-axis. So here, this one. So I can leave it. Then we have x. For x here, it's y. So as we know, this graph is kind of like this. Y is equal to x, right? And 1 here, we've got 1. 1. Here, it's 1. Let me write this better. As you can see, 1. Good. So which region are we dealing with? You can think a bit. For y, it's here, right? And y it's equal to 1, and it's here. And x it's equal to 1, it's this region here. This region. No, it's not region here. It's not region here. Then y it's here. But we can see we are dealing with this region, right? But first we are integrating in respect to x. We can have a dx here. Let me write this better. dx. Good. We have little dx, little dy here. But as we see, I need to shift the order here. Let me write like this. I still don't know the limits of integration here, but I'm going to know because of this what I've drawn here. Okay, let me write this. So sine of x squared dy dx. We see that for x here, it's x here. For x, we went from y. This is y, right? Y. We went from y to 1. It was we are acting like this. But for y, as first we want to integrate for y. What I'm going to do, let's take this color. I'll integrate from what? From here. I want to do this. I will do this. As you see, y here it's equal to what? 0. So it's 0 and goes where? To this graph here. This graph. The graph is described by y is equal to x. If I put y here, it's not totally correct because we're integrating in respect to y. So I need to put something different of y. So here it's x, right? And for y, good. And x, as we see here, it's from, let me change the color, it's from 0 to 1. Because while we are doing this, we start from here, do this until 1. So it's 0 to 1. Good. Now we can solve its basic integral, this, right? We can solve this. Now x is constant in y world, so we get it's what we get, it's, yeah, it's constant, this sine of x squared times y, and the integration, limit integration here, it's from, yeah, it's from 0 to x, right? So we got it's 1, this, it's x sine of x squared. Good. We see something, it's the x, bro, the x, don't forget the x. Good. We see something really cool here. Okay, something really cool. I can add x here and do this, still the same thing, and I can let what, I can let u, it's u equal to x square, and then we get these two x, the x, right? There is the x, the x is here, 2x is here, so this integral here will be equal to what? It's equal to 0 to 1. Why? The limit integration are still the same. If you plug in here 1, u is equal to 1. If you plug in there 0, it's still 0. So that's why it's still the same. Here we get sine. Okay, my battery. It's sine of what? U, du, and here we get it's 1 over, yeah, the integral of sine of e.
2 hours later.
This integral is minus cosine of u. Yep, and the integration limits are from 0 to 1, right? And then we get it's 1 over 2 minus cosine 1. Cosine of 0, it's, yeah, it's plus because of this minus here. Cosine of 0 is 1, so yeah, the final result is 1 over 2. I can let like this, cosine 1, and yeah, that's the result. And thanks for watching. Subscribe and like the video, and bye bye.